Hello everyone, welcome to our channel SU&VI. Today we are gonna make mango and strawberry milkshake. This combination is heavenly, it's very delicious, definitely try it. Fun fact, so have you ever wondered what's the difference between milkshake and smoothie? Milkshake primarily has milk as their main ingredient, like ice cream, milk, whipped topping, whipping cream, etc. And we can optionally add some flavoring or fruit to it. While smoothie has fruit as their main ingredient combined with any flavoring, any sweetener or any liquid. Anyway, in a blender, we are adding 3 to 4 mango cubes, or you can add 5 tablespoons of mango puree if you don't have those cubes. What we usually do is we freeze the fresh mango pulp in an ice tray. Next, we are gonna add strawberry crush. You can also use fresh strawberries or frozen strawberries if you do not have this crush. Do add 2 tablespoons of sugar if you're using the fresh ones or frozen ones. Once you add the crush or strawberries, we'll add about 1 glass or 4 cups of milk. In goes milk. Let's now give it a quick blend. The reason we blend it before adding ice cream or any other thickening agent is it makes it more frothy. Now add 2 tablespoons of vanilla ice cream. We are using Amul ice cream. You can use any brand you want. Vanilla ice cream gives a nice thick texture to the milkshake. You can also substitute it with whipping cream. Another blend and our thick and creamy milkshake is ready. Let's now decorate our glass using strawberry crush or ruafza. You can also put diced strawberries at the bottom of this glass and serve. Once the glass is ready, let's pour our milkshake and enjoy this delicious drink. Enjoy! If you do like this recipe, please give us a thumbs up, like, comment, share our videos. Do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and we'll see you in our next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.